Hello everyone, today I'm working on this SD70 Mac. So I've got a sound decoder for it, MRC, so 001960. So that should be a straight drop-in decoder, a lot easier than drilling holes for the speaker. So I want to find out if the sound quality is about the same. This is probably a lot easier for me to just have a straight drop-in board and be done in just a little while. I've already cleaned this engine before, so it'll just be a question of swapping out the board. So if everything goes as planned, it should be very easy. So there's the old board. I'm keeping that for sure. And here's the new board. So it looks like one of the leg was bent, but that is no problem. So I'll just get this out of the foam. And I'll bend this one back. This is nice with the Digitrack tracks. I had to weld these in. It's not an impossible task, but much nicer not to have to do anything. So the speaker goes toward the back. I suppose if you really wanted to, you could make sure that this little pin gets put under the tab. If you really wanted to, I suppose you could make a hole in the shell to bring this around. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be just very happy to just drop this in and go put it on the track. That's how I just have to squeeze it in there. So the board goes in there tight, and that was pretty easy. I'm done now. Like I said, maybe you want to put a hole through the shell, through these fans, and get a photo etch part for the fan to let the sound out. But I'm going to try it like that and see how much I like it. Before I put the shell back on, I'm going to go try it on the track. Oh man, it's a lot louder than the Digitrack tracks. I much prefer that. Yeah, this is way cooler. That was a lot easier to put on. Yeah, it's a lot louder than the Digitracks. And I changed the CV to have the volume up all the way up on the Digitracks. I'm a lot happier with this one, I think. So I'm gonna go put the shell back on. This is awesome. I'm loving it. And now it's time to run some trains. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.